Magandang Luzon, magandang gabi Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Ito ang weather patrol natin guys. Dito sa may Luzon, Calabarzon, sa Northern Luzon, makaranas ng malakas to medyo moderate to intense rains. Okay? Bilang dito sa Metro Manila, medyo moderate to slight moderate rains. Okay? Sa Visayas naman, i-monitor natin lahat ng mga ulan dadaan sa Metro Manila at sa Pilipinas, di ba? Okay, sige. Alright. Now, mga puso, i-observe natin ngayon yung weather system natin dito sa Green Hills. As always, you know the traffic today is very horrendous, okay? Okay, guys? Alright. Here you go, slow down buddy, slow down. Okay, so our weather updates for Metro Manila, as you've seen here in the vlog, in the video. Maambon, malakas ang ulan, makaranas yan siguro 14 to 64 hours, okay? So if you're driving on the roads, if you're on the roads with your friends, you're driving, oops, here, stand by guys, sige, dandan, sige. Oops! Go! Ingat! Okay, so the rains today is medyo moderate to heavy. Umambon lang minsan. So yun. I-observe natin yung ulan siguro after 64 hours. That's gonna be like today, tomorrow, and Friday, right? So as you can see right now, the traffic flow from the parking itself going out, very slow, which is good. Sige, stop, cross, go. Good job. So yun guys, as you can see in the previous videos, that there might be a slight to intense. We go, come on, what are you doing? Nakakan ka sa likod mo bro, come on. Okay, so yung mga, kung lumalabas kayo ngayon guys, dahan-dahan, maulan ng konting malakas, ambon, ha? Okay, so dito muna tayo sa medyo singit lang. Okay, go.